What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Mr. KB Tech, your problems matters. Today's video is all about a file download. I'll be creating an Android application that will help you download any file, either PDF, audio file, video file, anything from the internet. With this application, you will be able to download any media from the internet. So it will be on Android, and I'll be using a Windows computer for the tutorial. That won't affect you if you're using either Mac OS or Linux machine, but all I want from you is make sure you watch this video till the end, and the video will be cool. So don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get to work. It's all about a media downloader, just like the rest of the app that help you download any media.